I won't.
Malia, enough. Slow down, okay? He's going back in the ground.
You can't. You remember Styles.
Scott remembers Styles. Lydia and I remember Styles.
The Dread Doctors knew all about the Wild Hunt. He could help us.
Or he could kill us.
He's my responsibility. Michiko gave me the sword.
It's so awkward when Mom and Dad fight.
Shut up!
You both are right. If Theo tries anything, we'll send him back to the Skinwalkers. But for right now...
He goes back. Now.
Except Liam's the one with the sword.
Shut up!
Malia?
Can you give me a second alone with Theo?
Why?
So I can kill him.
Okay, look. I know that there's mixed feelings all around. But I might be your only option to stop the Wild Hunt.
Let's kill him.